Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today we'll be taking a look at Chopard sunglasses model VCHC70 in color code 300K. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a cat eye shape. On its temples, you'll find the Chopard logo in gold. On both sides. You'll also find the Chopard logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Chopard logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, which is 300K, and the dimensions of the frame. 55 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. On its nose pads, you'll also find the Chopard logo in gold on both sides. The glasses also come with a Chopard box, Chopard case, Chopard envelope, and inside is a Chopard card of authenticity and a Chopard booklet. They also come with a blue Chopard cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.